what happens when a human meets a horse. Go, go, go. She touches the horse. She interacts with the horse. The horse is calm. Easy, girl. But what does the mate think about this? Dun, 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 dun. Here comes evil. Here comes the evil blonde horse. This horse is Midnight. This horse is Dusty. You cannot really touch Dusty. But this horse right here. Kiss it. The love between the two. And this is the end. Before Dusty bites Holly.
Oh God.
This is the end. Goodbye.